Hello everybody, I am Raghavesh here. Welcome to the video session. This is the fourth video which is going to talk about the factorial of a given number. As you are aware, factorial is nothing but, if I say like 5 factorial is nothing but 1 multiply with 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 4 multiply with 5. However, there are some exclusions, like 0 factorial is 1 and 1 factorial is 1. So we can't have 0 factorial to be done in the same way. So when we write a program for factorial, we should also think of the situation. And you may be also aware, even a factorial of 10, it's going to be very high in terms of the number of digits. That means you should also know the data types and the limitations of each data type. That means what is the maximum numbers which you can save in each data type. This information also should be aware in this exercise. Now, let us consider having 5 factorial, and let us commence our task having our header file. So we have a main function, and then as you can notice here, I say int num, again I say int factorial, I take it as a initially 1. So factorial, I take it initially 1. Let us take the input from user, that means printf enter the number. Then I scan f as an integer I am taking. That means this is the place where the number is stored. Then first I have to check whether the number is greater than 0. Even otherwise also we can get it done with the looping statement itself. That means if I say while, this is our input, right? Input from the user, while number greater than 0, it goes inside a iteration, it goes in a while loop. So what we have to do is, here we have already factorial saved into this one, that is called 1, and assume the user entered initially as a 5. So first what we have to do, we have to multiply the value, that means 1 multiply with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. Nothing wrong multiplying either from the left to right or right to left, it remains same. So I say factorial is nothing but fact star is multiplication, fact star num. You can see here initial value of fact is 1 multiplied with 5 will be assigned into the fact. That means in the first step the factorial value becomes 5. Then I have to multiply with 4, so I just decrement the value of num by 1. Again it goes back here to the looping, it checks is num greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. That means this operation goes on, that means it's multiplied with 4, that means 5 multiplied with 4, 20 is assigned. Again it decrements by 1, that means from 4 it becomes 3. It goes on like this until it reaches 0. When it comes 0, is 0 is greater than 0? No, it's false. That means it comes out of the loop and we have to print the result here. That means printf factorial of %d is %d. So I missed out a double quotes here, comma, first one is num, second one is fact. And so this is the program. So let us save it. Is there any errors to be fixed? Yeah, thank God, no errors. And run the program. Let us say 5. Oh my God, okay. As you can notice here, we keep decrementing the number by 1, 1, 1. It reaches to 0. That's why the factorial of 0 it shows as a 120. So what we can do is, we can declare additional value. Let us say like val. As soon as user enters the number here, let us take the backup. That means we preserve the value of number. That means as soon as the user enters the value, we are putting this one into the val. Okay. So at the end, when you are printing, we should not use number, we have to use val. It's a copy of the original number what user entered. And you can see 5 is 120. When I say now 8, yes, it's correct. This is all the factorial. Well, in this short video, you may understand how to write program to find out the factorial of given number, and also you may understand about the looping statement, how it works, and how to write a logic way of programming. That means if you are a user enters, let us say like factorial of 0, as you can see factorial of 0 is 1. As we have taken into the consideration initially the factorial as a 1, and if user enters a 0 also, it will return the answer as a 1. Hope you enjoy this video session. Thank you very much.